Love that. Love that. And this is how the pair of shoes looking. Wait, whoa, light. This is how the pair of shoes looking. Okay. Other one. Okay. Who gets shoes? Me. Lighting, stop playing with me. These are they. that's what the that's what that's what the TikTokers said. Oh my gosh, I'm sorry, I'm sorry. Okay, excuse me. But this is how they're looking. They look really nice. I won't lie, yes, my feet are a bit bigger. Mind your business. Mind your business. But let's tap in onto them and let's see how they look. Yeah. Stitch right around, but the bottom part is glue. I like that there's a little slight elevation because my feet, it can't manage the extremely flat shoes. It cannot. It cannot. And then you have the Calvin Klein up here. That is fine. Love these. So who has new work shoes? Me. Anyway, bye. Let me test them and tell you how them feel. Update, the shoes fit. So I got to 11. I'm like originally a size 10.5. Like New Balance, I can wear 10.5 because they stretch. Adidas, I can wear 10.5 because they stretch. So in sneakers, I do a 10.5. In regular shoes like sandals and so on, I can do a size 10. American, that's USA size. For these, but for like closed toe shoes, I tend to like half size up. So I went to size 11 and it gives me enough room. Love that. Clap that. Clap that. Clap that. Clap that. Because we don't want to squeeze up our toes. We don't want corns. Yeah. So I went up to a size 11 and it gave the right amount of room. I'm not sure they stretch. Anybody ever bought like Calvin Klein? Wear Calvin Klein? Closed toe shoes. Like I had a Calvin Klein sandals. Really good. I still have it. Yeah, it's at my home, back home. But yeah, I like... No, that was a Tommy Hilfiger. Have I ever had Calvin Klein? I can't recall having a Calvin Klein. But yeah, I don't know if they stretch. So let me know in the comments if you ever have a Calvin Klein before and if they stretch. So I can know that next time I can size down to a 10.5. But these fit just right. Anyways, bye.